Which is the national fruit of India? A. Mango. What is the national fruit of Pakistan? B. Mango. Which fruit is the national fruit of Bangladesh? A. Jackfruit. What is the national fruit of the Philippines? A. Mango. Which fruit is considered the national fruit of Jamaica? B. Ackee. What is the national fruit of Thailand? B. Durian. Which fruit is the national fruit of Malaysia? B. Papaya. What is the national fruit of Sri Lanka? A. Papaya. Which fruit is considered the national fruit of New Zealand? A. Kiwi fruit. What is the national fruit of Peru? C. Lucuma. Which country won the most FIFA World Cup titles? A. Brazil. Which player has won the most Ballon d'Or awards? A. Lionel Messi. Who is the all-time top scorer in the English Premier League? A. Alan Shearer. Which club has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? A. Real Madrid. Who is the fastest player to reach 100 Premier League goals? B. Sergio Aguero. Which country hosted the first ever FIFA World Cup? B. Uruguay. Who won the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2019? A. United States. Which player holds the record for the most goals scored in a calendar year? A. Lionel Messi. Which country won the first ever FIFA Women's World Cup? A. United States. Who is the youngest player to score in a FIFA World Cup final? A. Pelé. Which country's flag features a red maple leaf? B. Canada. Which country's flag is a tricolor of black, red, and gold? B. Germany. Which country's flag is a combination of red and white stripes with a blue square of stars? C. United States. Which country's flag features a white cross on a red background? C. Denmark. Which country's flag features a red dragon on a green and white background? B. Wales. Which country's flag features a half moon and star on a red background? A. Turkey. Which country's flag features a white star and crescent on a red background? A. Pakistan. Which country's flag is a combination of green, white, and saffron with a blue wheel in the center? A. India. Which country's flag features a red, white, and blue horizontal tricolor with a star in the center? B. Netherlands. Which country's flag features a yellow sun on a red background with 8 rays emanating from it? B. Vietnam. What is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system? B. Neuron. Which part of the neuron receives signals from other neurons? B. Dendrite. Which part of the neuron carries signals away from the cell body? A. Axon. Which part of the neuron is responsible for transmitting signals to other neurons? A. Axon. What is the fatty substance that surrounds and insulates the axon of a neuron called? A. Myelin sheath. Which part of the neuron contains the nucleus and other organelles? C. Cell body. What is the junction between two neurons where communication occurs called? B. Synapse. What are the chemical messengers that transmit signals between neurons called? A. Neurotransmitters. Which type of neuron transmits signals from sensory organs to the brain? A. Sensory neuron. Which type of neuron transmits signals from the brain to muscles and glands? B. Motor neuron. What is the currency of Australia? A. Dollar. Which currency is used in Japan? A. Yen. What is the currency of United Kingdom? A. Pound. Which country uses the currency ringgit? A. Malaysia. What is the currency of Canada? A. Dollar. Which currency is used in Switzerland? A. Franc. What is the currency of India? A. Rupee. Which country uses the currency krona? A. Sweden. What is the currency of Brazil? A. Real. Which currency is used in South Korea? A. Won. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. Which animal is known for its ability to camouflage itself? Chameleon. Which animal is considered the king of the jungle? Lion. Which of the following animals lays eggs? Platypus. Which bird is known for its beautiful singing abilities? Nightingale. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Tortoise. What is a group of lions called? Pride. Which animal has a long, prehensile tongue for eating ants? Anteater. Which animal is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot.